Guys, can you hear me well?
No.
Can you
No.
hear me well? Can you
Yes.
see the screen? Can you guys see the
Yes.
screen? Yes.
Yes.
Any
Yes.
questions
Yes.
before starting? Any questions before starting?
No.
Okay, so I hope those who
No.
didn't watch the recorded video, guys, please go and watch them. And you can ask any questions anytime, okay? The quiz again will be this Wednesday, and it's gonna be on chapter 9, lesson 1 and 2, the one about water cycle and precipitation and tornado and the sphere weather. Okay, so let's go back. Yes, Farah, you raise your hand to answer, or you have a question?
I have a question about the quiz. What chapter it will be on?
I said chapter 9, lesson 1 and 2.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, Habibti. Okay, any other questions before starting this? Thank you, Abdulrahman. Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you so much. Now let's start with Wahba, the first name. Wahba, are you with us?
Yes.
Yes. Would you like to read the first question? Can you see the question?
Yes.
Okay.
Day and night on Earth is caused by the tilt of the Earth's axis, Earth's revolution around the sun, eclipses, Earth's rotation on its axis.
Yes. What do you
Earth,
think?
Earth's rotation around its axis.
Yes, well done. Earth's rotation around its axis. Well done. Thank you so much. The movement of the Earth around itself. Thank you so much, Wahba. Okay, Earth's rotation takes about, let's see who's next first. Farida. Oh, she just joined. Farida. So Farida just joined. I think maybe we can give her time to, connect audio and stuff. So let's move to Hamza. Hamza.
24 hours.
Okay, but we have to read the question. So it says Earth's rotation takes about 365 days, 24 hours, 6 months, 1 month, and you said 24 hours, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. The Earth's rotation is the Earth's movement that causes day and night. So it takes 1 day and it means 24 hours. Thank you so much, Hamza. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have Adito. Adito. Adito,
Yes.
yes, can you answer this question? Read it and answer it. Would you like to answer, or you want to skip this question? Yes, Adito, I cannot hear you well.
One complete revolution of Earth around.
Yes, one complete
I want
revolution
to
of Earth
answer.
around the sun takes about.
I want to answer.
You what?
I want to answer.
I can't hear you. I think you're having a problem with your internet or your microphone because I cannot hear you well, Adito. You can send the answer
Yes,
in chat if you want, because I think there is a problem with your internet. Yes?
I cannot hear him.
Yes, I think there is a problem with the internet. You can
365
send.
days.
Okay, that sounds a little bit.
365 days.
Yes, 365 days. Yes, well done, which means 1 year. So one revolution of Earth around the sun. So it takes one orbit every 365 days. Thank you so much, Adito. Now let's move to the next one. Farah. Farah.
Yes.
Yes. So can you read it? Read this question.
Earth has seasons because
Earth rotates on its axis, or because the temperature of the sun changes, or because the distance between Earth and the sun changes, or because Earth's axis is tilted as it moves around the sun.
the Earth's axis is tilted as it moves around the sun.
Yes, well done. Thank you so much, Farah. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes, because the earth is tilted. Again, we said that if the earth was standing up straight, we would have the same season whole year round. So, yes, thank God it's a little bit tilted so we can have some change during the year. Okay, Bilar, you will be next. Bilar?
Yes, Miss Noor.
Yes, Bilar, I cannot hear you. So, please try to raise your voice.
Okay.
Oh, yes, now I can hear you. So this picture in front of you shows Earth's. What do you think this is? Is this rotation or revolution?
Rotation.
Are you sure it's rotation? I mean, is this your final answer? So what do you think is happening
Yeah.
in this picture, Pilar? What do you think is happening in this picture?
Earth is Earth is
Yes, I'm all ears.
moving around the sun.
It's yes, the Earth going around the sun. So do we call this movement rotation or revolution? It's okay, huh? I just hope you can
Revolution.
hear us.
Revolution.
Revolution. We say that the Earth revolve around its axis. Remember? Yes,
Yes.
okay. Yes, ya Abdurrahman. Yes, well done. So yes, Bilar, well done. So this is revolution. So please try to focus so you don't make mistakes like this, because I know you are a lot better than this, Bilar. But in order to remember, you can say that rotate, rotate, rotate. It's around yourself. Remember when we did it in the class, like going around yourself or around the axis? While revolution comes from the word revolve, revolve, revolve means to go around something else. Okay?
Okay.
So it's going to be revolution. Yes, well done. Thank you so much, Bilar. Now we have Rugmini.
Yes,
Yes, Rugmini. Can you answer number 6? Read it and
of
then
course.
answer the question.
What does rotation of the Earth mean?
Yes. Does it
Um,
mean to spin, to circle, to orbit, or to pulse? So you have two answers
spin,
that might be right, but what do you think is the rightest one? The correct, the most correct one?
spin,
Yes?
spin,
Spin. Right. Well done. So spin is to go around yourself. So well done. Yes. But circle is to go around something else. So, but some people would say like we spin, we do circles, but no. Circle is to go around something else. That's why I told you guys to focus. So it's gonna be spin. Well done. Well done, Rugmini. To spin around yourself or around your ex. Thank you so much, Rugmini. Now we have Sulaiman. Do we have Sulaiman with us today? Yes, well done, ya Abdurrahman. It should the Earth does the two movements in the same time. Yes, well done. But he was talking about rotation only. Sulaiman, do we have Mustafa Sulaiman with us today? Mustafa Sulaiman? No. Okay, let's move to the next one. Reem? Reem? Yes. Gus, can you hear
yes,
me
ma'am.
well?
Yes,
Okay. Yes, Reem, can you hear us?
yes.
Reem, can you hear us? Are you with us
The
today?
Earth, yes, yes.
Okay. Read the question,
The
please.
Earth orbits around the sun.
Yes, the Earth orbits around the sun. Well done. Thank you so much, Yarim. Omar? Omar is not with us today because I didn't add him during the session. He did not yani, ask to join. So we have Leila. Leila? No, she's not with us today too. Okay. Jenna? Jenna? Jenna is with us today.
Yes.
Yes, Jenna. Would you like to read this question and answer it?
Yes.
Okay.
Imaginary line
I
that
can't hear you, sweetie. Huh?
that intersects the Earth through both the North and South Pole.
Yes, so it says that this is the imaginary line that intersects, which means go through Earth through both North and South Pole. So what do you think this is? Is it equator, fault line, axis, or latitude?
Axis.
Axis, yes, well done. Thank you so much, Shanna. Now let's move to the next one. Aysel. Do we have Aysel with us today? No. Let's move to the next one. Yusuf. Yusuf. Yusuf Amr.
Yes,
Yes, Yusuf.
our Earth does not travel sitting
Perfectly
perfectly.
straight.
It has a tilted.
A tilt. A tilt. Huh.
It,
Our Earth has a
it
tilt of, what do you think? How many degrees? Can you guess the number?
uh,
Just guess it. This question is not included, but
180.
can you guess? How much?
180.
Well, 180 means it's gonna be upside down. So no, it's closer to 23.5 degrees. So it's not that much. So it's a little bit tilted. That's why we say it's a little bit tilted. It's not that much tiltation. But you can answer the next question, yeah, Yusuf, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what do you think this picture shows? Does it show rotation or revolution?
Rotation.
Rotation, yes, well done. Thank you so much, Yusuf. Thank you so much. Okay, let's move to the next one. Yassine, do we have Yassine with us today? Yassine? No? Okay, let's move to the next one. Guys, those that do not answer, that means they are absent, okay? So be careful if you are there and if I kept calling your name. So we have Tia. Do we have Tia with us today? Tia? No? Okay, move to the next one. Lyanne? Lyanne? No? A lot of absent people today. Tahir? Yes, we have Tahir with us today. Tahir?
Yes.
Yes, Tahir. Can
In
you
this.
answer the next question?
Yes.
Yes, it says true or false. The Earth revolves around the axis. The Earth. I'm sorry, the sun revolves
False.
around the Earth.
False.
False. Yes, it's the Earth that revolves around the sun. Well done. Thank you so much, Tahir. Okay, now we have Iyad Tamer. Iyad Tamer.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Iyad. Can you answer this question? So it's a little
Men
bit of
shooting
funny
basketball
question.
in.
Yes. Huh.
Okay.
Would you like me to read it for you? Or you can read
Yes,
it?
I can read it.
Okay.
Rotation.
Thank you. You answered the question. Thank you so much. So it says here, when shooting a basketball in gym class, the basketball travels through the air spinning. Spinning here means going around itself. So this is going to
Rotation.
represent rotation. Yes, well done.
Rotation.
Thank you so much, Tamer. Thank you so
What
much.
a funny question.
Yeah. Muhammad?
Yes.
Yes, I didn't hear you today. I didn't hear your voice today.
Yes, I'm
Okay,
here.
Muhammad, would you like to answer the next question?
Of course.
Okay. It says that Earth is tilted as it revolves around the sun, which gives us seasons. Which season would it be in North America at letter D? So, North America is in the northern hemphere. In
Okay.
D, possession D,
D.
what do you think it's gonna have? Is it gonna have summer, winter, spring, or fall? So, this question needs you to focus really well, huh?
So if it's not lit up, that means it is cold there.
Well, it's not letting up because it's having nighttime now, but we're talking about tiltation. So if we now know that the northern hemisphere is in the northern, I'm sorry, the North America is the northern hemisphere, that means that the northern hemisphere in possession D is actually tilted away from the sun, which makes it winter. So yes, it was close to your answer,
Winter.
but you answered it in different thing. So it's gonna be winter.
Yes.
But it's
Winter.
not because it has light or not, ya Muhammad. You must be careful about.
Yes, I mean it's like away from the sun's,
Yes, it is away from the sun. Well done.
which is cold, which is winter.
Yes, it has winter. Well done. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Jumana?
Yes.
Yes, Jumana. So would you like to answer this question? Number 14?
Yes.
Yes. So it says when the northern hemisphere of Earth is leaning away, leaning means tilted from the sun, what season is the southern hemisphere expressing?
Winter.
Yes, it's going to be winter. So it's always the opposite season. So northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere always having the opposite season. So if we have winter in northern hemisphere, it's going to be summer in southern hemisphere. If there is spring in northern hemisphere, it means it's going to be fall in the southern hemisphere. So yes, here it says that the northern hemisphere tilted away. So that means the southern will have summer, as you said, right? Right, Jumana, you said summer, right?
I said about the southern, it will have winter, but in the north, it will have summer.
Yes, in the southern, no, the southern will have summer. Be careful. So in this picture, what do you think is tilted away? Is it the north or the south?
Mm, south.
Is south tilted away?
No.
No, it's closer to the sun. You can see that.
Yeah.
Actually tilted toward the sun, while the north is tilted away from the sun. So the north will have winter, but he's not asking about the north. He's asking about the south. So if the north having winter, the south will have summer, the
Summer.
opposite season. Do you get it, ya Jumana?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Jumana, I hope you can hear me well. And I know it's a little bit confusing, and that's why I told you guys to focus with questions because sometimes he can be talking about the northern hemisphere, but he is actually asking about southern hemisphere. Okay? Okay, Jumana?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Now we'll move to Joida. Joida?
Miss Noah?
Yes, Joida. Can you answer this question, please?
Okay, what takes a year?
Yes, what takes a year? Rotation or revolution?
Rotation or evolution?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, evolution?
Revolution, yes, because it's the movement of the earth around the sun, so it takes whole year to do so. Thank you so much, Joida. Muaz? Muaz, the no man.
Yes,
The man that keeps saying no for everything. Yes, Muaz. Would you like to answer this question?
yes,
Yes. So it says, how long does it take the earth to rotate around the sun? Is it correct? Is this sentence correct?
365 days.
Yes, but he said rotate. He's supposed to say rotate or revolve.
No, revolve.
Okay. Guys, in here he means that the earth is moving in two different ways. So it's rotating and also revolving. So when it says it's rotating around the sun, it means it's rotating, doing this movement, and also revolving. This is what he means by the sentence. So it's going to be 365 days. And we said we can add quarter, but we actually took off this quarter in order to make an extra day at the end of each 4 years. Thank you so much, Muaz. Now we have Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman.
Yes.
Yes, Abdurrahman. Number 4, it says, how long does Earth rotation last? So does it last for 90 hours, 24 hours, about 1 hour, or or about 24 hours? This is kind of confusing, so you have to be careful.
About 24 hours.
So you think it's about 24 hours? Yes.
It's
Well
this
done.
hard.
Yes. Because it's not a total of 24 hours. They're actually 23 and something. So yes, well done. So it's about 24 hours. Okay. So the Earth's rotation, guys, lasts for about 24 hours, not complete 24 hours. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman. Malak?
You're welcome.
Malak Warid?
Yes,
Yes, Malak. Would you like to answer this question?
sure.
Okay. So it says, what does Earth's rotation cause? So does Earth's rotation cause hibernation, the fourth season, day and night, flowers to grow?
Day and night.
Day and night, yes, because we're talking about rotation. Thank you so much, Malak.
You're
إياد
welcome.
عادل. إياد عادل. إياد عادل. I can see his name, but he's not answering. Okay, maybe there is a problem with his mic.
Miss, it's me, Iyad, not Iyad Adi. You unmuted Iyad Tamim, not Iyad Adi.
Uh,
Hello?
yes, Iyad. Is it Iyad Tamer or Iyad Adil again? I'm sorry, guys. I mixed between your names. Okay, but Iyad Tamer answered before, right? Guys, did Iyad Tamer answer
Yes.
before?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So this time it's Iyad
I
Adil.
am-
Do we have Iyad Adil with us?
I think no.
No, yes, he's not with us. Okay. Thank you, Iyad, for being being active today. But I thought Iyad Adil is Iyad Adil. Yeah, I mixed between both of you guys. So I thought the one attending is actually Iyad Adil, not Iyad Tamer. I'm sorry, I guess just mixed between your names. Okay, Basil. I don't think we have Basil with us today. Do we have Basil with us
I'm
today?
here.
Yes, he is. But didn't hear your voice, so I thought maybe you're not here with us today.
No, I said to you that I'm not here.
Thank you, Abdurrahman. Thank you so much for sending these nice notes. Okay, Basil. So it says, what is Earth's revolution? Okay, Basil, can you see the question?
Earth orbits around the
Yes,
sun.
it says, what is Earth's revolution? So we have different options. When Earth orbits around the sun, or when Earth bounces, or when the sun spins around the Earth, or is it when the Earth spins on its axis? Again, he's talking about revolution. You can read the question again and the options. Just take your time.
When the Earth spins on its axis.
Okay, so it's when the Earth spins around, I'm sorry, on its axis. Don't you think this is rotation?
It's revolution.
Yes. So if you went back to the PowerPoint, Bassel, please try to go and watch the videos again. Even if you are a physical student, you can go watch the videos again. So we said that the Earth has two movements. Okay. So we said Earth has two movements, if you remember, ya Bassel. We said rotation, which means around its axis or spins around itself, the one on the left. And we have revolution, which means to orbit the sun or go around the sun. So just be careful, okay? Focus. Yeah, Abdurrahman. Yeah, ya Basil. We don't want you to make mistakes, okay? It's okay to make mistakes, but I mean, it's a simple question, okay, Basil? So it's gonna be when the Earth orbits around the sun. Okay, Basil?
Okay.
Would you like to answer the next question? This
Okay.
question?
Okay.
Okay. You can read it and read the options and try to
How
answer the
long?
question.
How how long does Earth's revolution around the sun take? 265 days, 1 day, 1 month, 4 years.
Hmm.
Uh,
So be careful. It's the Earth going around the sun. So how much time does it take?
Uh, one day.
Really? Does the Earth go around the sun
No,
for
no,
one day?
365 days.
365 days, yes. So it's a simple question, ya Basil. All you need is to focus, okay? Do not get confused easily, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Basil. So now we're back. Farida what did not answer, right? Farida?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Would you like to answer this question? Because did you watch the videos?
Not really. I didn't understand them.
You what?
I didn't understand them.
You said I said did you watch them Aslan?
Yes,
Yes, why didn't you understand them? It's an easy lesson. We already learned about it last year.
I can try to remember.
Okay, maybe you need just to watch them many times.
Okay,
Okay, you can go watch them again, ya Farida, and if you still don't understand, you can send me. Okay.
okay,
Okay, but it's just easy one. Do not worry about this. It's about the, Earth's rotation, revolution, all of that. So you
okay.
think you cannot answer this question, number 8?
Mm, I will try to say.
Okay, yes, try. It's a lot better. Trying is a lot better, yes. Huh.
Yeah.
So it says what season is letter A?
Okay.
Yes. Letter A is pointing to the southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere
Yes.
means I think it's fall.
Fall. Well, actually, on the left or
Oh wait,
right,
no.
it's supposed to be winter or summer. Okay. Spring and fall are found in the middle.
Oh, okay.
So in
So
A, if you focus, you'll see that the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, is closer to the sun, while the southern
means it's
hemisphere is
summer.
away from the sun. So that
Summer.
means,
Summer.
yes,
Summer.
it's going to be winter. He's talking about A, the southern.
Winter. Didn't you say that the letter A is like closer than the sun?
No, I said in possession A, يعني, the question or the part is asking about, if you
Mm-hmm.
look, you see the northern hemisphere tilted toward the sun. But the southern hemisphere is tilted away, which is A, the one he's pointing at. I'm sorry if I made you confused, but I was talking about two hemispheres. So A is gonna be winter. I'm sorry, we'll just skip the question. It's gonna be winter because it's tilted away, or is it gonna be summer? He's actually pointing to A, which is southern, but he mentioned northern. I'm sorry about this question. It's a wrong one, but it's gonna be summer in northern while winter in the southern. Okay.
Okay. Can I try to answer another question?
Yes, you can answer another question. So in this one, it says when the northern hemisphere is pointing toward the sun, what season is the southern hemisphere? So be careful. Huh?
So the last time you said it was winter, right?
Yes, winter in the southern hemisphere.
Um,
Yes, but be careful
is
at
it
this question. This is a different one. It says when the northern hemisphere is pointing toward the sun, what
mhm.
is going to be in the southern? So be careful. He's not asking about the northern again. He's asking about the
Oh,
southern. Yes. In order to solve a question like this, you say what is in the northern? What kind of season in the northern now? He's saying that the
the
northern is pointing toward the sun. So what kind of season is this?
According to point sun, I think summer.
Summer, yes, well done. So that means northern will have summer. But is he asking about northern or southern?
Southern. So
Yes,
it will be winter.
yes, it will be the opposite one. So it's gonna be winter. Well done. Thank you so much, Faid. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much. Okay, you can answer this question also. What are the reasons for the seasons? This is a really nice question. It's like it's on rhyme. What are the reasons for the seasons? Nice. So, what do you think is the reason for having different seasons? Is it because Earth's tilt and rotation, Or is it because Earth's rotation and revolution? Or is it because Earth's tilt and revolution? Or is it because Earth's tilt and resolution? Of course, this last option is not real.
Yes,
Ah,
exactly.
so what do you think?
Earth's tilt and rel-
Revolution. Yes, well done. It's because Earth is tilted and it also goes around the sun. Yes, well done.
around the sun.
Yes, well done. Thank you so much, Faida. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, now you are allowed to raise your hands. So, or should we use the spinner? What do you think?
Spinner.
Okay,
Spinner.
we only have 5 minutes, so yes, we can use the spinner now because all of you guys answered. Okay,
Miss, I didn't answer. May I answer?
who is this? Is it Lyanne?
Yes.
Okay, yes, Lyanne, you can answer. So you can answer this
Sorry.
question. It says, what time of the year is the Earth closest to the sun? What do you think? You can guess the answer.
Uh, in the summer.
It's in the summer? It's actually opposite in the winter. But the northern will be away and also the southern will be closer. So yeah, it's actually in the winter. This is big shocking thing for you guys. But it's actually in the winter. You can answer this one, yeah, Lyanne, it's okay. You can answer another question.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. So it says that the sunlight hits Earth's surface most directly at the North Pole, the equator, the South Pole. Because of this, that particular area does not experience seasons. So it's like hot all the time. What do you think?
Equator.
Equator. Okay, yes, well done. Thank you so much, Lyanne. It's gonna be equator.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
So
Lyanne.
sorry. I came late. I
It's
came late.
It's okay. Guys, anyone else did not answer? It's okay, Lyanne. It's better to come late than never. Well done anyway. So anyone else did not answer before? Anyone else? So I think now everyone attending answered before. So we can use the spinner now. So I spend it. Okay, let's see who's gonna be. Iyad Tamer. So Iyad, you're with us?
I am here.
Yes, so it says a cycle is
No.
something that happens over and over again, like the seasons and day and night. Is this true or false? Maybe you're not sure. What do you think?
True.
True, yes. A cycle is something that happens over and over again. It's like coming from the word circle. So let's see who's the next one. Sulaiman is not with us today. So I think this one will be the last one answering. Jumana? Jumana?
Yes.
Yes. So it says at possession C, which hemisphere would have winter? Possession C, which hemisphere will have winter? Is it going to be the northern or the southern? Which one will have winter? In possession C. So which one is tilted away from the sun?
The south.
Southern is tilted away, are you sure? The lower part is tilted away or is it tilted toward the sun?
No, it's tilted to the sun, the northern.
Yes, so which one will have winter?
Northern hemisphere.
No, northern hemisphere, yes. Guys, please try to watch the sessions again because this part is a little bit confusing for some of you. But anyway, well done. So guys, we have less than 2 minutes. Any questions before leaving?
No.
Okay, are you sure about this? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay.